Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I'm back with another video for you guys right now. And this video is like real important because Thermaltake is doing something a little scummy, and I don't like the fact that they're doing this. So can this destroy my chances of working with them and whatever I'm supposed to be doing? I don't know. And right about now, I don't care because it's something that I have to get off my chest about it. And I don't like the fact that they're doing this. And let's get down to the nitty gritty, down gritty with it. All right. So, the Tower 600 basically came out from CES like that, right? So right now, some of this stuff is unavailable. So the problem what I'm having with this whole thing with Thermaltake is that they just dropped the Tower 600 on new colors. Some of the colors is unavailable, some of the colors are available, and I don't understand what the hell they doing. Just to give you guys a little speed up what's going on. I literally had to contact Thermaltake yesterday, like around 5-ish. Probably earlier than that. Well, yeah, probably a little bit earlier than that because they said that they was gonna drop the new Tower 600, Tower 600 bubble pink, on Valentine's Day. So what I did was I literally stayed almost up all night. So I got up at 12 a.m. on the dot, and I didn't see it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait. Let's wait until about 3 o'clock in the morning. So that gives every other times, which is California time, Pacific time. That's 12 a.m. the next day. Eastern time is like 12 a.m. Eastern. So Pacific time, I waited to 3 a.m. in the morning to see if it dropped because now it's fully for you, the whole United States. That it'll be the very next day. Still nothing dropped, right? I get up in the morning, probably about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, Valentine's Day, and I'm on Amazon to check and see what's going on. I don't see no drops. I go on their website. I don't see no drops. I go on Twitter. I don't see no drops. They said available. Okay. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to wait. They said their store opening up at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Again, 9 a.m. my time is not 9 a.m. their time. So I waited to 12 a.m. my time, which is Eastern time. Still nothing. I let the day go by, still nothing. So like around 3, 4 o'clock, I decide to contact Thermaltake, and I speak to some of the guys there, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I said y'all was gonna drop it. What's going on? They said, well, it's delayed. Okay, whatever. But you sat up here and said Valentine's Day. Y'all need to come out with some type of tweet. Y'all need to come out with something and let the people know that you guys are delayed with this, right? No more than probably like 30 minutes after I contact them, I get a notification on Twitter. I get an email. It's available and it's available. They tweeted out it's available. Grab yours now. Now this is the problem I have, and I find this very scummy to do. I find this very untasteful, and I've never dealt with a company that did something like this. And you can you can serve me wrong, whatever. I've purchased many computer cases from many companies out my pocket. I've never seen something like this, the way how they doing this. But okay, here's the pricing right here, right? Right, there's the pricing. Before I even show you everything with the pricing, let's just go to the actual products real quick. Let's go to the chassis, tower, right here. It's available, right? Here's the 3 colors that's available right now. The black one is unavailable. This is actually available. This is unavailable. The rest of this, I believe, is unavailable. Black is unavailable now, right? Snow, sold out, unavailable. This one, sold out. Racing green, available. On the blue one, sold out, unavailable. Mocha, sold out. Sand, available. I did the racing green, right? The racing green, yeah. Bumblebee, you can see available. Bubble pink. This is the one I've been waiting for, right? Bada bing, bada boom. It's available, right? Here's the problem I have with them. Let's look at this. Say how when I put this in my cart to do it, they want $219.61 for ground shipping for March 6th. So meaning that this product is really not going to be available until March 3rd. But they want $50 for shipping fees. $50. $50. So you mean to tell me, even when I log in, if I'm not using shit on Shop Pay and I do it through their regular website, it's still $50 for shipping. Now, for a $169 case, $170 case, I don't mind putting up the extra fees for the case, but I'm sure as hell not paying no $50 for no shipping. Then they went all the way down to $142.24 to get it March 3rd. We're only at the 15th of this month. So it's telling me that something might be wrong with this case. So I'm guessing whatever's going on in California, if y'all don't know, California has a warning thing when it comes towards with certain materials and certain paints. If you go like to AliExpress and stuff like that, and you go purchase something, you'll see this thing at the bottom that says warning. This have a particular type of chemical on there that can hazard your health or whatever, something like that. I'm guessing they run into a problem that's going on with that, with the type of paint or whatever that's being done on this case to give it the pink and blue things. Whatever is going on with the other cases has come and dropped multiple times with no error. I've seen it come up on Amazon multiple times within the last 2 to 3 weeks. I've seen it come up and go down multiple times, even the green one and the purple one. I already seen it come and go. This pink one is delayed all the way up until March. Why? It just got my antennas up. All right, so let's just get that down right there. So that's just the price. That's one of the problems I have. But the thing is, if we go towards Amazon, you see it's currently not available, but every other color is available on Amazon. $169.99. Look, free shipping. You get free shipping even if you're not a Prime member. You still get free shipping. Right? Do that. This one right here, $4.99 delivery. This is coming from a different store. $4.99 for the same item that's available right now to get. And you get this February 25th. Let's go here. Free shipping, $189.99. Whatever. I'll pay that. It doesn't matter. Right? $169, free shipping. Right? You get it on the 20th. Right? Get Prime, you get it on the 17th, which is Monday. Right here. This one right here. The white one. 7 left. $4.99. All right. See where the store is coming from? 7 left. You'll get it February 25th. So this is the only one that's not available. Now, I already have mine's pre-order. Mine's is already paid for. I didn't pay for mine, just to let you guys know. Mine's has already been paid for. It's not coming out my pocket. The reason why, well, I don't have to go and tell you the reason why, but it's not coming through with freaking Thermaltake is not paying for it. I am paying for it with my dollar, but I just literally got it free because I had some extra money backed up and I had it stacked up. So that's the reason why I wound up getting it for free. So I'm literally not even paying for the case at all, right? But the problem what I'm having is that they're only putting it on their website. And this is, if you go onto their site right here and you go towards cases, now this is their store. Why they don't have it available? Well, this was available like probably 2 minutes ago when I just did this video. I had to redo the video because I made some mistakes on here. But about 15 minutes ago, this was available. So it's sold out quick. But you can see on their store, everyone is available. But they didn't update their page to put the pink one on there. That's some crummy crap to do. So people like me that have theirs pre-ordered, we can't even get access to ours until y'all fulfill y'all's that's on your website. So other websites like Newegg, you can't even get it. Even if I type it in on Google, you still can't get it. For example, B&H got this. They got this going on right now, right? But look at this. Whatever is going on with this, you can't see it. You can't see the picture like that. This is expected available within 2 to 4 weeks. Nobody know what's going on with this whole item. Newegg. If I go right here, then go to let me see. If I go right here, let's go to Newegg. Okay, Amazon right here. This is it right here. Click on it. Still unavailable. Let's go this real quick. All right, Newegg right here. Because even if you type it up in Newegg, it just doesn't pop up. Click on that right there. Here it is right here, out of stock. They don't know when they're going to get it. They literally holding this off for their website only, and you cannot get it on their store, in their store. Sold by Thermaltake. So it's only available on their store. That's some scummy thing to do for people that actually don't want to buy it from the store, that has Amazon Prime, that want to be able to save money on shipping fees. We can't get it because they holding off on it on their website. That's a scummy thing to do. And I'm gonna tell you this: when Leon Lee dropped their Vision, what is it? The Evo, I forgot the actual model of it. The Evo RGB. I got mine the soon as they announced it. I forgot where I got it from. I think I got it from Newegg or I got it from Amazon. I don't remember which website I got it from. Most likely it was probably Newegg. But as soon as they dropped it on their website and they said it was available, I got mine straight up. No extra fees, nothing like that. I got mine right away. Then I wound up getting another one, which is the Vision. That's what I currently have sitting inside my other room as my other PC is sitting on that. I got to build on that one. Right? That's the one Leon Lee sent me. No problems. I got it right away. But Thermaltake has no transparency with their customers, with people that's waiting for it. They don't respond on their Twitter page. What's the point of having a Twitter page if you're not gonna respond to people? And this is one of the issues that I have with Thermaltake. I've dealt with companies that's not US based and that's in other companies and stuff, and they respond to me very quickly. I've never had an issue that, that when they said things was available, they didn't put it out. And it's making me think there's something wrong with this case or the colors or whatever it may be doing dealing with this whole paint situation. I don't know if it's a paint situation, but just something got my antennas up of why they pushing this damn thing out so far. They sitting up there on Twitter. The reason why I can't show my Twitter page right now is because I'm not logging into it, so I'm not going to even do it. But what got my antennas up about this whole thing, about this case, you said it'll be available Valentine's Day, right? Available Valentine's Day. Y'all push this whole thing for Valentine's Day. We be able to get it Valentine's Day. Y'all didn't say anything about, you can purchase it on available. Y'all said available on here, meaning that we should be able to purchase it day of Valentine's Day and get it the next day. Excuse me, get it the next day or the day after that. Not March. Not March. This pink one. What is this? Like literally, what about this is that you're having an issue that it has to be pushed out until freaking March? Y'all just announced it. Y'all have it on your website. You can't even get it next day air, one day air. You have to literally wait until March. What is the problem with this case? Why is it being pushed out till March 2nd or March 3rd? Let me I have to look at the damn picture again. Yeah, March 3rd. Why is it being pushed out to March 3rd? What's going on with this case? Well, this particular color, what's going on with it? Is this something going on with the sprays? Like I said, is it dealing with the California health hazard, whatever thing it is? What's going on with this? Why is this one particular case being pushed out so far and that y'all charging a hefty fee for shipping? I don't understand that. Something's going on with this case. I don't know what it is, but it has my antennas up and it's kind of like pushing me to the point that I'm about to pre-order this color and just for me to just get the blue one. Let me see, Amazon. Do they have the blue one? Let's just check. Because to be honest, I have an airbrush, so I can do it myself. I can literally buy this one or get the white one, right? I can literally buy this one and airbrush it myself. I can airbrush every component, blue and pink, just the way you have it, and do it on my time and save myself some money. Well, not even save myself some money, just get the case right away. Because right now, my antennas is up. I don't know what's going on with this pink one, and it's just something is not right. For y'all not to be able to push this on Amazon, for y'all not pushing it on Newegg, for you not pushing it on B&H, come on, something is wrong with this. Something is really wrong for you guys to not be dropping this. And I don't know what it is, but like I said, it might be dealing with the paint or something with it. It might be dealing with something with the wiring. It's just, it doesn't sound right. Because when you first initially showed this, it was available for pre-order. I pre-ordered mines, right? And now you can't even pre-order it no more. So I don't know. You should be able to pre-order this damn thing. Mine's is already pre-ordered. So you only have the 3 colors that already came out, which was I believe this one, this one. Oh no, I'm sorry. This one, the green one, and this one. So yeah, I don't know. Something's going on with it. I don't know. It's just weird. Y'all charging a weird fee for this thing, for this color, for this pink color. Y'all not having no transparency on top of the situation. Y'all just saying it's available, but y'all got this thing pushed out to freaking March. I've never seen nothing like that. As many times I purchased cases, computer components, even things that was available and they got announced. They had a specific date. They released that window and it was available. I don't understand it. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.